In this video, you'll learn how to send USDT from Binance to another Binance account using the recipient's ID. By following these steps, you will be able to complete an internal transfer of USDT quickly and efficiently. Start by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the wallet option, which is typically found in the main menu at the top of the screen. Click on Wallets to proceed, and then select the transfer option from the available features. You will be prompted to choose the type of transfer, select the internal transfer option. Next, ensure that you select USDT as the asset you wish to transfer. Before continuing, verify that you have sufficient balance in your account to complete the transfer. After confirming your balance, you will need to enter the recipient's Binance ID. Carefully input the ID to avoid any mistakes, as an incorrect ID could lead to the funds being sent to the wrong account. Once you have entered the ID, you should see the recipient's name appear on the screen. It is crucial to double check that the name matches the intended recipient. Then, enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Take a moment to review all the details you have entered, including the recipient's ID and the transfer amount, to ensure everything is correct. It is important to note that internal transfers do not incur any blockchain fees, making this process cost-effective. When you are satisfied with the information provided, proceed to confirm the transfer. You will likely need to complete a security verification step, which may involve entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. After confirming the transfer, you should receive a notification indicating that the transfer is being processed. Internal transfers are typically instant, so the recipient should receive the funds shortly after you complete the step. To confirm the completion of the transfer, check your transfer history within the Binance app or website. You can find this section under the Wallets tab, where you will see a record of your recent transactions. Encourage the recipient to verify that they have received the USDT in their account. It is advisable to save the transaction records for your personal reference. If you or the recipient encounter any issues during this process, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. Always ensure that the Binance ID entered is correct to avoid any complications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.